Hello, welcome to an overview of Imaginet Implementation Services, where we'll briefly discuss the knowledge, experience, and people that uniquely position Imaginet to be the top choice and partners for your implementation. There's lots of great software out there to improve productivity, but even the best software won't be effective without a solid implementation. We understand that technology is just one aspect of a successful implementation. Just as, or more important, is the understanding of the people involved. We also know that experience and creativity in the application of that technology are key parts of making it work. In addition to more than 47 offices in North America alone, Imaginet has thousands of clients and years of experience in implementing technologies and processes to help our customers save time, save money, and improve quality. This is backed by more than 100 technical experts with the experience and technical knowledge in your industry to ensure success with your implementation. What makes for a successful implementation? This is something that Imaginet does every day. So through our experience, we have developed a proven, tested approach that ensures implementation success. Key to this is a phased approach that allows you to adopt the technology and adjust your processes in a way that makes sense for your environment. By clearly defining the project ahead of time, developing the solution together, validating the approach, and rolling it out to production effectively, we can help you make the most of new tools and processes. What are the risks in an implementation? There are factors such as unrealistic goals, improperly documented processes, or poor project management that can cause an implementation to fail. Through experience, Imaginet has developed our implementation process to mitigate these risks. Through a proven, phased approach with proper project management and technical expertise to ensure the success of your project. It's this experience, along with tested methodologies and unparalleled talent in the industry, that make Imaginet uniquely positioned to ensure the success of any implementation.
Hello, my name is Matt Mason, Director of Software Development with Imaginet Technologies, now merged with Avitech Solutions. I'd like to talk to you today about whether your applications need an upgrade. Over the last 5, 10, 15 years, many companies have developed their own homegrown applications written in Visual Basic for Applications, AutoLisp, or ARX, to do things like drawing automation or integration with your ERP system. Applications that were written on these platforms are currently at risk. So what's the nature of this risk? Well, two things are happening. First, Autodesk has declared that they are going to remove Visual Basic for Applications from the Autodesk line of products, particularly AutoCAD. This is in line with Microsoft's discontinuing the support of VBA. There's also a groundswell of switching to 64-bit operating systems in the marketplace. Whereas most of these applications were developed for 32-bit systems, today it's hard to even purchase a 32-bit engineering class workstation. So what's the timeline on these risks? Well, for VBA, Autodesk is still debating the exact timeline of removal from their products. They've pushed back the deadline twice now, but the deadline is still coming. For 64-bit issues, however, really the time is now. VBA does not work well with 64-bit. Any applications that were doing database access in particular may need modifications or rewrites. And even Lisp and ARX have similar issues that need to be addressed in order to get good support for 64-bit. So how can Imaginet help? Our software development team can meet with you in person or via WebEx to review your existing applications and come up with a plan for either small-scale workarounds to keep things moving forward or a rewrite of the applications on the modern Microsoft .NET platform that Autodesk recommends. Who is the Imaginet software development team? Our team is currently 11 people, and we specialize in nothing but the development of Autodesk-based solutions. We have dedicated software developers with decades of experience, as well as dedicated software project managers to oversee the process and to ensure a successful outcome. You can contact us via your local Imaginate office or at the email address below. Thank you very much for your time.